So what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to day 3 of fixing the Subaru Impreza, the purple one, yeah. And today I've got my chest strap mounted on me to show you how I'm gonna start recording some videos. So I'm using the chest strap. I've also set the GoPro to 2.7K and 30 frames per second, and I'm using the wide angle. So if you're new to GoPros like me, this should help for you, so you get an idea of what sort of footage you're going to see and how I've set it. And another interesting thing we've got here is, look at this bike. He's got an engine. Might have to take this out sometime for the ride. Comment in the comment section below if you want to see what this bad boy does. Yeah, I think my little cousin's made this, it looks like. Tank on it and that. So yeah, I'm gonna strap the GoPro to my chest strap now, and then we need to see what that noise was. Right, okay, what I need to try doing is going under the car, and I need to remove the pin from that drive shaft nut. Hold on, don't worry, I am going to be trying to head strap. If you think the head strap would get more footage, let me know, because I don't even know what's happening, what is recorded. So literally just took that bolt off the bottom of the ball joint. It's just one bolt that bees at the bottom here. It's supposed to have a pin in it, but all them have been taken out from before. And then all you do is just, I need some sort of bar or something. Is put it under here. Yeah, popped. Okay, so now that that's popped, and if you can see that the drive shaft is now off that side, so you should see a gap. You're right, see that gap there? That's how much the gearbox is open. I don't want to risk opening it anymore. That's a good gap, that. Hopefully I don't have to take the full gearbox off. So I'm going to try that first, and if not, I'll get back to you. Right, we may have figured out the problem. If you can see in there, that plate is not supposed to be squished like that. It's like going up, bending in. See that? So it looks like that plate stuck in there. So I'm going to have to release the gearbox slightly. Yeah. Get that plate out. So I'm going to try that. Hopefully that fixes the rattle. This is what I'm literally having to do. Got my head resting on the back subframe here. Got my hand over here. Show you a bolt. To get to a bolt. That bolt will hold the plate on. It's right under the gearbox. It's in the right place though, man. Look at that. Got my arm over this, over that, through there. You can see. And see if I can get my arm out to show you. Look, there. There's the bolt there, where that spanner's onto. My God, it's a struggle. You're gonna have to do it though. Can't believe it. I managed to get this side bolt off. Wow. Good job, I got small hands. Not as big anyway. Got that bolt out. Right. See if I can get this plate to come out now. Right. I've had to take the full thing out so I can get more space in there. Because my hand kept bashing this drive shaft, man. So I was sick of it bashing. So what I did was I just rugged it off. Right, since I've got the screwdriver stuck in there, you can all see what I'm on about. This plate was going up and inside. So now I've took the drive shaft out. I've got a bit more room to play with here. Just literally need to pull that out of there. It's a struggle, but it's better than taking the gearbox out. I've got some movement in it now. I managed to get the screwdriver in. I just need to bend it all over and then push it out. Hopefully that should cure it. Wish me luck. Right, some good news. I've managed to get this side plate away from the flywheel hasn't scratched it too much, has it? No, looks alright. Right, so I've managed to get this side out, but this side here, it's gone, it's bent up, man. It's gonna be a struggle getting that one out. Look at it, it's like kinked up. It's like kinked up in there. I have to use some brute force to get it out, but I'm gonna try my best now. Right, so I've managed to bend this side over. You can see the flywheel now. Looks like that's the furthest I'm gonna get it down. So let's tighten the gearbox back up, put everything back on, and then try. Check that out. Loud, that's because it's got no exhaust on it. But it's not touching. Car's fired up now. It's got up to temperature. It does sound nice. It's purring nice. I'm not going to give it no revs yet. I'm going to give it about 4 or 5 minutes to let it tick over nicely, and then I'm going to start doing my other checks. There's still a lot of work to do. So thanks for watching today's episode. Make sure you stay tuned for the next one, and please like, share and subscribe, because we need to grow our channel. So any support at all is welcome. If you want to get involved with any other bits as well, by all means, some car features or anything, let me know. See you in the next one.